Hey everyone, David here with an unboxing and review of the Shokz OpenComm 2 headset. Shokz has been around for a while. They're mostly known for sports headphones, running and swimming, but recently they started making UC headphones as well. What's different about Shokz headphones is that there's nothing in or over the ear. They work by bone conduction. Now, I thought they were going to sound like like a little speaker an inch away from my ear, a little tiny buzzing sound. But it really sounds like you're wearing headphones. It sounds like you have on in-ear or over-ear headphones. As far as overall sound quality, you have to hear it for yourself, but I think it's fair to say that it sounds like a mid-range headset. There's thousands of headsets out there. Everyone is different. Some are better at handling this frequency or that frequency. All I'm saying is if you're expecting this to sound like a cheap headset, you're going to be surprised. Let's take a quick look at their webpage for pricing. Now this is the page for the OpenComm UC. I'm wearing the OpenComm UC2, but my understanding is the pricing is the same. This is just the upgraded model. Both models have 16 hours of talk time, and they have a quick charge feature. In 5 minutes, you can get 2 hours of talk time. The differences are the UC2, they moved the microphone over to the right side. They added a button on it to make it easier to mute. They upgraded the PC dongle, the USB dongle, and the new model is Zoom certified, and my understanding is they're working on getting it MS Team certified as well. So let's take a quick look at the unboxing. Okay, so I pre-recorded the unboxing. I wanted to be wearing these and using them and letting you hear them during this video. So I'm going to do a little bit of a reaction to my own unboxing. I hope this isn't a little too weird. So inside the white box that I showed you earlier is the black box. Inside the black box is a nice little case, and also some paperwork. Unzipping the case, we find the headset itself, and the USB dongle, and the power cord. There's the USB dongle. And there's a closer look at the headset. As you can see, it goes over the ears, behind the head, very stable. I mean, it's meant for sports. Oh, and the power cable is magnetic. I like that. It connects magnetically. It seems like it's less likely to break, fray. Also, it's pretty cool. Magnets are cool. So not much to the unboxing, which is great. I basically put on the headset, plugged in the USB, it was already powered up, and just started using them. And I also connected it to my phone, just like any other Bluetooth device. So bottom line, do I recommend these? Well, I always say that audio gear is like clothing. You literally wear it. So whether you want to wear over the ear, in the ear, or non-ear bone conduction, that's really a personal choice. But if you're saying to me, hey David, I don't love over the ear, I find in the ear a little uncomfortable, I want a non-ear alternative, is this viable? Or is this a gimmick and it doesn't really work? This is viable, it's not a gimmick. Like I said before, it really sounds like a mid-range set of headsets. So yes, it's an option, but at the end of the day, the right headset for you is the one that you're comfortable wearing. I hope this video was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and please like and subscribe.